Hi, I'm Cardona. I'm a wedding photographer from Bogota, Colombia. I do destination weddings all over America. My style is more like a portrait photographer that makes photojournalism. MagMod helped me a lot with both because when you have the light equipment and you have the time for work, you can do both. Before MagMod, I used to have big and clumsy and hard to use modifiers like big softbox and all that. Now with MagMod, I have all the space in my bag that I used not to have. When I have more time, for example in the getting ready part, I use a lot of the gels and the grids because I have the time for play. So that's one thing that I really love about MagMod, because you can play a lot with all the gels, all the modifiers. For the reception, I use the MagSphere more of the time. A few years ago, I used a lot of softbox, but they were so huge that sometimes in the reception you have the space. With the MagSphere, I can move whatever I want in the reception. In a second, I have the light that I want in any place. So it helps me to put the light as fast as I can in the right place when I work it. So it's a huge advantage. When you have the flexibility of having such good modifiers, you can spend more time to be more creative, to think about more in each photo. When you have time, you can improve your photos in many ways. If you have the right tools like this, you can start to search for different perspectives as a photographer.